Hello, in today's video I will show you how to access the AUDREY batch file and export the list to Excel. So under File, Open, AUDREY Files, look up AUDREY batch. Basically what the AUDREY batch file is it is a table that contains all the documents that AUDREY uses to process. So please note that if your version does not have this feature, feel free to reach out to support@compactsoftware.com for more information or for an upgrade. If you select Print List at the top, the Print List report screen should appear. You then click on Data View, Export to Excel, and you should save the file under the appropriate folder and name. Would you like to open the exported Excel worksheet? Yes. So here we can see that the AUDREY batch file exported into Excel successfully. So if we close that, and then go back to the original AUDREY batch screen. We can also try sorting the files under the Set Filter option. This allows the user to sort out the files by different criteria, such as start and end dates, time, and number of tries. In this example, I'm going to look at the status. So for fields, status, operator is contains, and value is E, which represents that the email was sent successfully. No further action is needed. Click on Apply. Any of the files marked with E should be compiled into this list. We can also try this for M as well, which means automatically canceled by AUDREY for exceeding the maximum number of tries, and the AUDREY never sent out the email. But make sure to clear the filter first. Status contains M. Apply, and we can see that the list has shortened to just M. We click on Print List, and we can essentially follow these steps for any of the filters that we apply. Data View, Export to Excel, Save, Yes. And we can see that it exported to Excel. If you have any questions about status codes, we do have KB or Knowledge Base article 1083 on our website that explains them more clearly.